Perched above the vineyards of Devin, Slovakia, Cabin Devin feels more like a carefully framed experience of nature than a conventional cabin. Designed by Ark-Shelter and ARCHEKTA, this compact retreat overlooks the historic Devín Castle and distant Austrian Alps. From the beginning, the project focuses on creating a quiet, self-sufficient shelter that stays deeply connected to its surroundings. What makes the cabin especially interesting is its incredibly compact size. With only 20 square meters of space, the architects approached every detail with precision and restraint. Instead of making the cabin feel limited, the minimal layout creates a calm atmosphere that feels surprisingly open and efficient. It becomes a strong example of how thoughtful design can make a small home feel comfortable and complete. The positioning of the cabin plays a major role in the overall experience. Carefully placed along the edge of the Zlaty Roa vineyards, the structure blends naturally into the landscape. Large openings constantly direct attention outward, allowing the surrounding scenery to become part of daily life. Rather than dominating the site, the architecture quietly frames the views around it. One of the cabin's most distinctive features is its fold-down terraces. When closed, the structure feels compact and protected. Once opened, the terraces and sliding glass walls completely transform the cabin, visually extending the living space into the outdoors. This simple mechanism creates a seamless connection between the interior and the surrounding landscape. Inside, the layout remains simple and highly intentional. The living area flows directly into a compact kitchenette, while the bathroom is positioned discreetly toward the rear. Built-in furniture helps maintain visual clarity and prevents the interior from feeling crowded. Minimal materials and soft natural light give the cabin a warm and calming atmosphere. A memorable detail inside the cabin is the concrete sink placed beside a window facing the forest. Although simple, this small design gesture changes the feeling of everyday routines by reconnecting them with nature. Moments that would normally feel ordinary suddenly become quiet and immersive experiences shaped by the surrounding landscape. The sleeping area also reflects the cabin's careful approach to space. During the day, the loft remains visually hidden to keep the interior feeling open. At night, a retractable ladder appears from the cabinetry, leading to a more enclosed sleeping space beneath a skylight. Compared to the transparent lower level, this upper area feels private and more intimate. Beyond its appearance, cabin Devin is also designed for off-grid living throughout the year. Solar panels, battery storage, and integrated water systems allow the cabin to operate independently in changing seasonal conditions. Ventilation and insulation strategies are carefully designed to maintain comfort efficiently, while the technical systems remain visually hidden within the architecture. What makes Cabin Devin truly compelling is the clarity of its design philosophy. Every detail feels purposeful, and every space strengthens the connection between people and nature. Despite its small size, the cabin delivers comfort, atmosphere, and spatial richness without excess. It becomes an inspiring example of how simple architecture can create meaningful living experiences